Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a GitHub account. www.github.com, just type in there, and here you have to sign up if you are creating a new account. I will create a new account for you. Here write your mail ID, continue. Now give a password. Okay, now continue. Enter a username, enter a username. Data science is not available. Something I have to give which is available. This is also not available. Okay. No, it will only alphanumeric character or single hyphen. This is also not available. Okay, one thing. This one is available. Okay. So just select which username is available and then create continue. No, I don't want that email preferences right now. So continue. Okay, now you have to solve this. Oh, I think this one is perfect. Submit. So when all these things are done, then you have to click on create account. Now it will ask for a code that is sent in the datasciencejourney100 at the gmail.com. Okay, done. Now just reply to these questions. 2 to 5, anything you say. Um, okay. No, continue for free. So this is the way you can create a GitHub account. Fine. Now, if you have created the GitHub account and you want to create a new repository, for that you have to click on create repository. Now, here you can give a repository name. Suppose I want to give variables in Python. Okay. Now, description is optional, but it's better if you give a description. Some codes related to variables in Python. If you make it public, anyone else can clone or download it. If you make it private, then it is just private for you. Add a readme file. It's always good to add a readme file because there you can describe what the things you have done. The proper documentation is good, but it's not mandatory. Okay. Now if you click the create repository, look what happens. It is created. I created for readme file, so a readme file is also created. Suppose you want to upload something in GitHub repository. So what can you do? Just go for add file, then upload files. Then here you can click for choose your files, and here you can choose in whichever wherever your file is. Then click open. Automatically it will be saved here. I created this one in our variable class. Now what I can do, from here you can download it as a IPv1 file. So it will be downloaded here. Here click choose your files. Then select the one you want to upload. Then click open. See, it has been opened. Now if you click here commit changes, so it is stored in your repository. Now if I share this clipboard to anyone else, that person also can just put the URL here, and here you will get an option to download. It will show here. As it is my profile, it is not showing. In your computer, it will show as a download option. There you can download both these. Any other files also, if it is there, you can download it. So it is good for sharing as well as for keeping your code in different versions. Okay. So later on, whatever we will do coding part, we will keep it in a file in GitHub, and I will share this with you so that you also can download or clone. Okay, I'll show you how to download or how you can also do the cloning part. For that, you have to install git bash. If you don't have, you can install that. We will discuss about those later also. Here we can check git status, git info. There are many commands. We will do those things also. So right now, just learn how to uh, create a repository and share it with someone else. Okay, bye.